How many of you out there practice your emergency braking? I bet there's not many. One thing I practice quite often is stopping this big bugger at higher speeds. We never practice it, do we? It's something we should all practice. Stopping it as quick as you can. So, if it's something you don't do, it's something you should do. Because you never know when someone's going to pull out in front of you. Now, I've been doing that for the past 5 or 6 minutes. And at the start, because I've not ridden this bike for quite a while, I wasn't stopping as quick as I was then. So no one's around. Checking the mirrors. 40 mile an hour. Stop the bike. Make sure nothing's coming. Off we go. It's something you should all practice, especially with the new season starting. Not ridden your bike for a while. Get out there and have a go. See you later.